Welcome to qnawire.
The question is asking to find the flow rate of the oil flowing in the pipe. Here in the question it is mentioned it has two different diameter sections. Given diameter of the major section, let it denote with D1, is equal to 0.985 meter. Pressure of the major section P1 is equal to 100 Newton per meter square. Diameter of the smaller section D2 is equal to 0.591 meter. Pressure of the smaller section is 6075 Newton per meter square. Density of the oil rho is equal to 821 kg per meter cube. Let us draw the diagram. We need to find the flow rate. We know equation of continuity. Equation of is equal to A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. Here area denotes area of the cross-sectional area of the first section. A2 is the cross-sectional area of second section. V1 is the velocity of oil in the first section. V2 is the velocity of oil in second section. On substituting the values, A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. We know A is equal to cross-sectional area. A can be written as pi d1 square divided by 4. V1 is equal to pi d2 square divided by 4 V2. Pi by 4 get cancelled and we get V1 is equal to d2 square divided by d1 square V2. V1 is equal to, on substituting the above data, we get d2 is equal to 0.591 divided by d1 is equal to 0.985 whole square into V2. On simplification, we get 0.6 whole square V2. V1 is equal to 0.36 V2. Let us name it as equation 1. We know Bernoulli's theorem. The sum of pressure, potential energy per unit volume, kinetic energy per unit volume is constant. Here in this case, the two sections are at same height level. Potential energy can be neglected. Pressure plus kinetic energy per unit volume. Is constant. It can be written as P1 plus of rho V1 square is equal to P2 plus of rho P2 square. On rearranging the terms, we get P1 minus P2 is equal to of V2 square minus V1 square. We know P1 is equal to 800 minus P2 is equal to 6075 is equal to of. We know rho value 821 V2 square. Here we know V1 value 0.36 V2. On substituting here we get 0.36 V2 whole square. So we get, after simplification, we get 2025 divided by, on doing this we get 410.5 is equal to V2 square minus 0.36 whole square gives 0.1296 multiplied by V2 square. So on simplification of this, we use 4.933 is equal to V2 square of 1 minus 0.1296. V2 square is equal to 4.933 divided by 0.8704. V2 is equal to, we get square root of, on doing simplification, we get 5.6675. V2 is equal to 2.3806 meter per second. Finally, we got V2. The question is asking to find the flow rate. We know flow rate is equal to A1 V1 or A2 V2 meter cube per second. So flow rate A2 V2 is equal to pi T2 square divided by 4. V2 value 2.3806 is equal to pi divided by 4. We know D2 value 0.591 whole square, 2.3806. On simplification we get 0.653 meter cube per second. So finally the flow rate of oil is equal to 0.653 meter cube per second. I hope you have understood this video. Thank you.